Sanibonani Dumelani Mshini. Hi, welcome to Dumisi. Isabel ngafuni ukuthi uliphuzo ujahile kodwa lifuna ukuthi uliphuzo uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzusha. Let's get into today's video. Kwesta Dakar. You know, all along we were wondering ukuthi kanti uKwesta ukuphi? Is Kwesta still producing music? Only to find ukuthi uKwesta ukhona and he is definitely producing good music. But unfortunately for him, he's like, yes, I've been creating music, but unfortunately, angikwazanga ukumaketa ingoma yami. Because you can have the best product, but if you cannot market your products, if you don't know how to sell your product, then you might as well, his music are being streamed by a few people because obviously Tina, we don't know anything that's happening with uKwesta. And then he started joking and saying, the reason why my music is not going viral is because I need Nota. Jokingly. But let's be honest, you definitely need Nota because Nota knows the game. Nota knows the right doors, the right people to speak to. Yes, whenever he speaks, people think, oh, he's crazy. Oh, Nota just likes to speak. Oh, Nota lies. But look at Kwesta today. Look at his spirit. It could have been a random song had Nota not been part of it. But because Nota knew that at that time music videos were dominating, he knew that if the music video is good, obviously people want to play it kaningi, And then Kwesta was like, no, I need to familiarize myself with the game. Definitely good move. And I feel like he needs to familiarize himself with people like Young Stunna, because one thing about Young Stunna, he's able to blend in with any music genre because of how versatile he is. People like Scott. Yes, Scott is an amapiano artist, but obviously he drops verses. He's not a lyricist. So obviously, naye angakwazi ukungena. You get the vibes, especially laba seKaSlami, because 1520 sphethe ikhokho zakhona, But there's also other artists that I do not know of he could collaborate with, because even if he tries to collaborate with hip hop cats, it might not go viral, because hip hop in South Africa right now, I don't know much about it, but I don't think it's that viral music that's going on. It's not dominating. Yes, there are good hits, hip hop songs in South Africa, but it's no longer dominating. So maybe if you take people like Young Stunna, because it's a well-known face, a well-known brand, someone that then it can be able to be pushed, because obviously Kwesta had a song with Tapsi, had a song with Nandi Ngoma, if I'm not mistaken. So obviously you can take Young Stunna, ashayele a verse or a kule, and then you come there with your raps, and then and he also mentioned the fact that he needs to familiarize himself with social media. And then about Kespanyo verse, hate him or love him, but that guy was right. I remember there was a time when Kespanyo verse was being interviewed by El Tito, and he mentioned the fact of one thing about South African celebrities that is killing them is the fact that they don't want people to know them. They just want people to know their business, and that's it. And one thing about your fans, they want to know you. They want to engage you. They want to know you on a personal level. It doesn't mean you must get deep. But just posting a video, driver, playing a song, just so that they become familiar with you. So that even when the music is not there, they can